in Bern was hoping to be able to influence the judges. Okay, watch now. They gotta hear. Hubie's gonna shut the engine off. It is. Let's see how quiet we can be. Turn the ignition switch off. No power from the engine. Prop should be stopped if all goes well. Hubie says sometimes it doesn't. No power from the engine. Skill from the pilot. Gliding. Watching his altitude. Watching his speed. Still upside down, now right side up. Down goes the... And in comes the power. Let's give Hubie Tolson a round of applause for that stopping maneuver. And by the way, it is said around the world and agreed that this man, Hubie Tolson from Bern, North Carolina, is the only Sukhoi pilot in the world accomplishing that maneuver you just saw. Thank you again to this one. The best deals on the GMC, Cadillac, Buick, and tires as well. Almost a century of service to Eastern North Carolina, the best GM dealer rated in the Southeast, and a great supporter of this air show.